The blind spot safety system in your Hyundai has two different features: blind spot collision warning and blind spot collision avoidance assist. When your Hyundai is delivered, blind spot safety will be turned on, but the setting can be turned off if needed. Select Setup, then Vehicle, then Driver Assistance, and then Driving Safety. The blind spot safety setting can be turned on or off here. Blind spot collision warning, also known as BCW, uses radar sensors to spot vehicles that are to your side or just behind you. It also employs a camera on the windshield to detect lane markers in front of you to determine your position in the lane. If it detects a vehicle in the vehicle's blind spot, it will illuminate the warning light in the mirror on the corresponding side of the vehicle. If the turn signal is on in the direction of the detected vehicle, the warning light in the mirror will blink. In addition, the steering wheel haptic alert will activate, vibrating the steering wheel, and an audible alert will sound. BCW can also detect vehicles that are not currently in your blind spot, but are approaching it rapidly. In this instance, the system will operate the same as it would if a vehicle was currently in the blind spot. BCW may also provide alerts when making turns on a road with multiple turn lanes. This is normal and is not a system malfunction. Blind Spot Collision Avoidance Assist, also known as BCA, operates at low speeds when you're attempting to depart areas, such as a parking lot. If it detects an approaching vehicle when you're departing, the system sounds a warning, blinks a warning light in the outside mirror, and vibrates the steering wheel. BCW may also apply the brakes to help avoid a collision. Both BCW and BCA have operating limits. BCW will only detect vehicles when driving at speeds above 12 miles per hour and will only provide collision alerts at speeds above 25 miles per hour. BCW may not always detect a possible collision, especially on curves or slopes, when lanes are at different heights or especially wide, or when traffic is merging or dividing. Please see your owner's manual for a more complete list of these types of situations. If you're towing a trailer or have a carrier installed on the rear of your vehicle, BCW and BCA may not detect other vehicles. BCA will only operate when your vehicle speed is below 2 miles per hour and approaching vehicle speeds are above 3 miles per hour. You should avoid placing stickers or other obstructing items over the sensor areas. Doing so may cause the system to not operate correctly. For more information on these features, be sure to consult your owner's manual, available at myhyundai.com, or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and myhyundai.com.